March 2026 is here and we got the new update. Android 16 QPR3 stable is finally here. If you're a Google Pixel device user, you already know that you already have QPR3 beta running on. Maybe if you are not using Android 17, QPR3 beta was already there. Past 2-3 updates were there. This one is a stable version of QPR3. And if you are a custom ROM user, like on my channel, many users are from custom ROMs. So QPR2 based on custom ROM, basically custom ROMs based on QPR2 already there. But if you are looking forward to QPR3, which this is right now, you might not see this on custom ROMs. Not so sure. Let's see. But let's take a quick look at some of the QPR3 features which are just so exciting with this new update. Let me tell you. First of all, now playing UI, the UI has been changed. New UI in this case, the option to identify songs and so on. And by the way, this now playing app has a separate UI, or you can say this is an app now separately available on Google Play Store. So you can install it to some other devices too. So exciting. We have a whole new UI. A lot of things have been changed, UI tweaks everywhere. This is the part of the latest feature drop of March 2026 for the Google Pixel devices, which is Android 16 QPR3. But it's not only specific to this one, so it might be rolled out to you as well, maybe soon, maybe very soon. But for now, after installing the latest feature drop of March 2026 on the Google Pixel devices, or you can say Android 16 QPR3 stable version, we got this feature. And you can even use it on the lock screen, which was already there from some time now, but the UI has been updated, as I just wanted to let you know. So a lot of UI changes available here and there. Let me just again tell you, this is Android 16 QPR3 stable, or you can say feature drop of March 2026. We have some amazing changes in wallpapers and style UI. Looking forward to some of the theme packs. By default, right now while making this video, these theme packs are not there. Some new themes are coming very soon. Right now not available. But we have something really interesting in this case. We have custom icons available. So exciting actually. Simply move on to this option, click on create icon, and with the help of AI, you will be able to generate a lot of custom icons. Same goes like AI wallpapers, but this icon thing is something different as compared to AI wallpapers, because this is so exciting as compared to wallpapers in just my personal opinion. You have a lot of things to choose from. So after choosing the selection kind of things, click on OK, create these icons, and this is how things are looking like. Then click on download. Within few seconds, it will be downloaded and you will be able to use those icons on your device. This looks interesting. After applying these things, these icons on a device, remember one thing, that these icons will only be applied to home screen, not on the app drawer. So this is a bit unfortunate. Maybe in future something will happen. For now, this is the scene which we have. You can use these icons. You can create a lot of things, a lot of icons on your devices. We have that create option available. For now, these things are completely free. I'm not so sure for how much time, for how long, but for now these are free, so you can use it in case you want to. For the many users, this might be so exciting. For some, it might not be. It's just available, so just wanted to let you know. Let me show you some of the other things. For example, if you place this widget on the home screen, imagine you want to resize that. Simply click on that dot icon. You have that plus and minus icon available there. And this is a very basic change. To resize the widgets, we have a different sort of UI, and especially if you are using QPR3, you might find it really helpful, really easier as compared to QPR2 if you want to use it in QPR3. One more thing is, in the recent video I made on Android 17 Beta 2, we have the option for a high contrast background in at a glance widget. But you can also turn it off in case you missed it. QPR3 Beta 1 got this feature. If you are using QPR2, this feature is not there. But if you're using QPR3, or if you got this stable version, this March feature pack, March feature drop, then yes, we have the option to remove at a glance from home screen on Google Pixel Launcher, and the empty space will also be removed. So exciting, so useful in many scenarios. For some, it might not be useful. For some, it is really useful. So it's completely up to you if you want to use it on or not. Let's move on to some other things. If you move on to an apps list settings in Google Pixel Launcher options, you'll see this option named as Show Browser Tab Tiles. A very basic feature, but it's available. You can enable this thing in case you want to. The folder in-out animation also has minor tweaks as compared to QPR2. So After installing this thing, you can see the difference definitely. Other than else, we have this torch option, torch strength option available. Some of the features you might already be familiar with because these were the things available with QPR3 beta versions. But because if you are not into beta updates, you are looking forward to stable updates, then this one is a stable thing. So yes, we got the torch intensity option available with the latest QPR3, so you can use this thing also. Also, if you move on to quick settings panel, other options, the option to remove the tiles from quick settings section, we directly have the option, that remove option there instead of that minus and plus icon. That plus icon is already there to add those tiles, but if you want to remove any tile, simply click on that tile and you have the option to remove that. All the resizing tiles and things are just kind of same like the previous one. If you move on to other things, for example, the indicators, the location and camera indicator, that dot icon will always be there, similar like iOS, whenever the camera will be used or that thing. So we have some enhancements there. Remember one thing, the Android 17 beta versions are going on, and that has new UI for lock screen, for that location and camera indicators with new UI and new things and so on, new icons maybe. So don't confuse those things in this case. We have the option to sort this order in button navigation section. So if you use 3 button navigation, you can simply change the order of back button and recents button, and this was also available with the beta update in QPR3. Now it's now available in the stable stage in QPR3 in March feature drop. Other than else, we have similar UI in settings. We have minor tweaks available. And yes, this is all. These were the things just wanted to let you know. Once again, let me just clear some things with you. This one is Android 16 QPR3 stable version, or you can say for the Google Pixel device, this is a March feature drop. If you're a Google Pixel device user, you can install this thing. If you are other user, like on my channel, a lot of users are from custom ROM things. This is not available in custom ROM. Maybe soon, if Google release the source code of QPR3, things might get super exciting. Thanks for watching.